So today is August 20th, 2015, and these are some of the cuties we have available. These are some white-cap pioneers that are ready to go home. Here is a yellow nape Amazon. This one is already sold, but we do have a baby available that's white teal. We are offering a special this week. We have free cage delivery with purchase, and we have our stainless steel cages on sale. This one you get a $100 in-store credit and a free delivery on the stainless steel cages. Let's see what other birds we have available. We have another yellow nape here. This is a Mexican red-headed Amazon. And in the little guys over here, we have a green Quaker and a powder blue Quaker in the front. And then those are the regular blue Quakers in the back. You can see the color difference. And here we have a pineapple green cheek Conure and a normal Cockatiel. And as you can see, we have a very large selection of cages right now. And all the wrought iron type cages have a free delivery with purchase. There are some limitations. Call the store at 972-492-0841. And the best super deal in the store right now is our stainless steel macaw cage, which we have. Let's see here. Can you see that? You get a $300 in-store credit and a free delivery with purchase. And you can see we have a large selection of toys and purchase that you can use to get your in-store credit with. Let's go see who we have in our baby room over here. Oh, we have this great climbing thing. If anybody has a big bird room, we just got this in. All kinds of fun. I think it's about 6 feet tall. I didn't measure it. It's huge. It's a party for somebody. Let's see who we got in here. We got some fledglings going on. We have a black-headed kite, and we have a baby yellowhead who's already sold, but here's our kite. That one's sold, but this little guy is available. Hey, you, what are you doing? You gonna say hi? No, and here we have our hawk-headed parrot. Let's see if we can get her to do her crest up. She's already been sold. Look at her crest. Look at that! These guys are pretty rare. She's already been sold, so she's found a home. But look how cute that is. And we have some more green sheep conures in here. We have a regular yellow-sided and then a cinnamon. They like to hang out. Those two would probably like to find a home together. They really like each other. And here's our other conure. And our double yellowhead here is fledgling. We like these guys to be able to fly and land correctly before we let them go home. And we also want them eating and maintaining their weight for 2 weeks, which is what we need to weed. And sometimes the birds jump on the camera. Let's get the camera. There we go. What are you doing? Of course, it's a little kite that does that. Again, if you want any more information on any of these birds or anything we have available, our number is 972-492-0841. Give us a call or come by the store. We'd love to see you.